Hi guys, I'm Kent. I will show you how to disassemble a system unit. First, you need the screwdriver, the screw organizer, set of screws, and masking tape, and anti-static wrist strap. Remove the side cover and front cover of the case. And remove the 24-pin power connector from the motherboard. And remove the SATA connector from the optical drive. And remove the SATA power connector from the optical drive. And remove the optical drive from the computer case. And remove the 4-pin power connector from the motherboard. And unscrew the power supply and remove from the computer case. Remove the hard disk drive fan and the 4-pin connector. Remove the IDE connector from the motherboard. Unscrew the CPU heatsink from the motherboard. And remove the NTEC fan connector, the speaker connector, and the NTEC fan from the computer case. And unscrew the motherboard from the computer case and remove. Now, I will show you how to assemble a system unit. Put the CPU to the CPU socket gently. Don't push it. And put the motherboard to the computer case and screw. And put the NTEC fan with speaker to the front panel case and connect the speaker connector and fan connector to the motherboard. Put the IDE connector to the front panel to the motherboard. And put the CPU heatsink to the motherboard and screw. And put the hard disk drive fan and connect to the motherboard. Then put the power supply to the computer case and screw. Put the 4-pin power connector to the motherboard. And put the optical drive to the computer case. Connect the power SATA connector to the optical drive. And connect the 24-pin power connector to the motherboard. And connect the SATA connector to the optical drive to the motherboard. And put the front cover and side cover of computer case. And that's it. It's done. This is a computer system unit. And thank you for watching my video.